And this is what your Windows 11 look like after end of this video. In this tutorial I'm going to show that how to install this cool dark theme on your Windows 11. I'll show you step by step how to install this theme and how to install this taskbar and start menu as well. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to show that how to install this amazing dark theme on Windows 11. First you have to create a restore point. If anything goes wrong you can revert your system using this restore point. Okay, one more thing, this customization is not going to affect the system performance. Okay, now you have to unzip this Securix theme file. All links are provided in the description box or check in comments. Then cut this folder and paste it into C drive. And then open this folder, and in here you will see a theme tool. Just right click on it and then click on run as administrator and then click on yes. Then you have to check these two boxes and then click on install. So it will require reboot. After reboot your system is ready for using any custom theme. Okay, now we have to install the theme. Right click on this theme file and unzip it, and then go to this theme folder and copy these theme files, and then go to C drive and go to Windows folder, and in here you have to find resources folder, go to themes directory and paste it here, and then click on continue. Now we have to apply the theme. Then go to your C drive again and open Securix theme folder, and then right click on this theme tool and then click on run as administrator and then click on yes. And in here you have to select the theme and then click on apply. Okay, so theme has been applied. Now we have to install this tool called start all back. Double click on it and then click on install for me. And after installation you will see a pop-up like this. Just close it and right click on taskbar and then go to properties and turn off this taskbar and then click on restart now, and then go to start menu tab and turn off it as well, and then go to explorer tab, and in here you have to select Windows 7 command bar and then close it. Okay, then you have to install this icon pack. To install the icon pack, first you have to unzip this 70sp and then open this folder, and you have to rename it, and then extract these theme files and open this icon theme file, and you have to rename it as well. Remove this remove text and then go to the 70sp folder again and right click on the 70sp and then click on run as administrator and then click on yes. Then you have to click on add custom pack and then select your desktop and go to this icon theme folder, and in here you have to select the 70sp Nemo icon pack theme and then click on start and then click on yes. So it will take some time to complete the installation process. I'll be right back after completing the installation process. Installation process has been complete. Just click on yes to restart your computer. Theme installation has been complete. Now we're going to install the start menu and taskbar installer. To do that you have to install this tool called Windows. Links are given in the description box. After installation you'll see an interface like this. Now we have to install some mods. Click on browse for mods, and first we are going to install this Windows 11 taskbar installer. Click on details and install it, and then you have to unzip this start menu and taskbar mods file, and then open this folder, and here you can see taskbar installer mods, and copy this complete script and then go to advanced tab and paste it here and then click on save. Now we are going to install another mods called taskbar height and icon size. Click on details and then click on install and then click on install. Then again open this folder, and in here you have to copy this script and then go to advanced tab and paste it here and then click on save. Now you have to install this Windows 11 start menu installer. Click on details and then click on install, and again go to this folder and open start menu installer mods and copy this complete script and then go to advanced tab and paste it here, and then right click on start menu and then click on start settings, and then go to folders, and in here you have to enable these folders And this is it. This is how you can transform your Windows 11 start menu, taskbar and explorer as well. So I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next customization video.